In our last video, we learned how to turn a simple sentence into a negative and an interrogative sentence. You all did a great job. Now, in this video, we are going to make our questions even more interesting and powerful using WH words, like what, where, when, who, why, and how. These special question words will help you find out about things, places, people, time, reasons, and ways of doing something. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to ask questions like, what is your favorite food? Where do you live? Why are you happy? So kids, get ready. Today we are going to become question experts. Today, we are going to learn 6 special question words. We call them WH words. Each one helps us ask a different kind of question. Let's see them one by one. WH words. What, thing, where, place, when, time, who, person, why, reason, how, method, the way. Let's learn each one with pictures and easy sentences. Hello kids. Today we're going to learn a magic question word, what. We use what to ask about a thing. Say it with me, what, good. Example 1, what is this? This is an apple. Now, you try. Say, what is this? And answer, this is an apple. Example 2, pointing to a picture of a cat on the wall, what is that? That is a cat. Come on, say it with me, what is that? That is a cat. Tip, when something is close, we say what is this? When something is far, we say what is that? WH word 2, where is used to ask about a place. Example 1, where is the school? The school is in the city. Example 2, where do you play? I play in the park. Kids, think of your favorite place and say, I go to. Hello kids. Today, we're going to learn another magic question word, when. We use when to ask about time, the time something happens. Say it with me, when. Good job. Example 1, when do you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. Repeat after me, when do you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. Example 2, when do you go to school? I go to school at 8 a.m. Repeat after me, when do you go to school? I go to school at 8 a.m. Tip, when we use when, we want to know the time something happens. It can be a clock time, a day, or even a special event. When is lunchtime? Lunchtime is at 1 p.m. I'll ask a few when questions, and you answer. When is your birthday? When do you eat breakfast? When do you play outside? When is your English class? Hello kids. Today we are going to learn another magic question word, WHO. We use WHO when we want to ask about a person. Say it with me. WHO, great job. Example 1, show a picture of a teacher with students. Who is your teacher? My teacher is Mrs. Neha. Now repeat after me, who is your teacher? My teacher is Mrs. Neha. Example 2, show a picture of children playing. Who plays with you? My friend plays with me. Say it together, who plays with you? My friend plays with me. Tip to students, remember, WHO is always about a person's name or who is doing something, like your teacher, your mother, your best friend, or anyone else. Now, kids, turn to your partner and ask, who is sitting next to you? Student answers, my friend Ria is sitting next to me. Quick WHO game. I'll ask you some WHO questions, and you will answer. Then you ask me, who teaches you English? Who is your best friend? Who helps you at home? Who plays with you in the park? Hello kids. Today we are going to learn another magic question word, WHY. We use WHY when we want to know the reason for something. Say it with me. WHY, good job. Example 1, show a picture of a child wearing a raincoat. Why are you wearing a raincoat? Speech balloon, because it is raining. Now repeat after me, why are you wearing a raincoat? Because it is raining. Example 2, show a smiling child with a school report card. Why are you happy? Because I got good marks. Say it together, why are you happy? Because I got good marks. Tip: remember, why is always about the reason something happens. The answer usually starts with the word because. Speaking practice. Now it's your turn, kids. Tell me one reason why you are smiling right now. Because I am having fun. Because I am learning English. Quick why game. I'll ask you some why questions, and you give the reason. Ready? Why do you go to school? Why do you eat fruits? Why do you wear warm clothes in winter? Hello kids. Today we will learn another magic question word, how. We use how to ask about the way or method something is done. Say it with me. How, good. Example 1. How do you go to school? I go to school by bus. Now you say, how do you go to school? I go to school by bus. Example 2. How do you make tea? I boil water and add tea leaves. Repeat after me. How do you make tea? I boil water and add tea leaves. Tip: remember, how is all about the way or method of doing something. Interactive speaking practice. Kids, tell me, how do you come to the park? I come to the park by walking. I come to the park on my bicycle. Quick how game. I will ask you how questions. You give your answer quickly. How do you brush your teeth? How do you draw a picture? How do you make your bed? Quick recap. What is this? This is a ball. Where do you live? I live in Delhi. When is your birthday? It is in July. Who is your best friend? My best friend is Ria. Why are you late? Because I missed the bus. How do you draw a circle? I use a compass. See how each WH word changes the meaning of the question. Great job, kids. Today we learned 6 WH words and how to make questions with them. Homework. Ask your family members 6 WH questions and write down their answers. Example: ask your mom, what is your favorite food? Ask your friend, where do you live? Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel. This is Principal Sir saying, keep asking questions, and you'll keep learning English.